This is a 2020 brand new Adam. This is called the Tracker, excuse me. This trailer is called the Tracker Warmblood. It is an aluminum frame, aluminum skin, wooden floor, aluminum roof. It's a 2-horse straight load gooseneck. It's a really nice sized dressing room. It's got 2 saddle racks, bridle hooks, and a window from the horse area to the dressing room. The nose is carpeted, but we do put rubber mats on the floor of this trailer. The trailer has full-length running boards. We had a little storm last night. It blew some dirt on it. Full-length running boards. All your running lights are LED. We upgrade this trailer to a 5,200 pound axle and a 16-inch wheel. Got 1 escape door street side because you've got a ramp curbside. So we've added an extra foot here in front of the breast bar versus the standard size to make sure you can get those horses out of that space. So we just swing the head divider over out of the way, and your horse can come right out of this side ramp. Just drop the breast bar here, and we've added an extra foot so your horse can come down the side ramp and exit. You've got padded walls, padded center divider, padded breast and butt bar. You can remove the divider or this bar head divider. Head divider swings or removes. Nice size hip windows, interior lights. Again, you've got that window between the horse area and the dressing room. Inside ties for your horses, and 2 pop-up roof vents. You can just swing this head divider back over and out of the way. Lots of support in this trailer, lots of roof supports, good structure. So there's our side ramp. Over the side ramp is a top door that you can travel with open. It also has a sliding window. So you've got great ventilation in this trailer. Again, full-length running boards, 16-inch wheels, and upgraded 5,200 pound axles on this trailer. Got a rear ramp with top curtains. Those top curtains also have windows, or you can latch them back for travel. We've got an LED load light with its own switch and an interior switch here. Again, the trailer has a wooden floor with rubber mats. Aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof, wooden floor. It's got 4-foot extrusion here on the side. We really love the look of that. Like I said, you can latch these top doors back for travel. They're very secure with that latch. This is a nice, brand new 2020 Adam Tracker Warmblood. Rear and side ramp, great size dressing room. It is not designed for a 3rd horse in the front. It is strictly a side ramp trailer. No 3rd horse, not a 2+1, 2-horse with side ramp. Trailer's located at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and photos at trailercountryllc.com. This trailer sells for $20,207. It's got a manual jack and a full-size spare tire. We can add hydraulic jacks here. If that's something you're interested, let us know. We have financing with approved credit, and delivery is available. 2020 Adam Tracker Warmblood at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia.